Hi, I'm Paul Sundt, Segment Manager Oil and Gas Service in Energy Division.
And I'm Greg Parsons, Product Manager for mySpareParts.
And together, during the last 3 years, we have developed a series of tools and applications under the name of mySpareParts. And recently, we have launched a series of videos and recordings for how you and your customers best can utilize these applications. For this demo, we will start from a normal login on myABB and assume that you have an account established. So once you are logged in, you will land on the normal dashboard landing page. The first thing I would like you to pay attention to is that you now have the opportunity to customize your dashboard. And in this case, I will ask Greg to move mySpareParts to the top of the list. And you will see now then that the layout would change, and we will now have mySpareParts as the first of the dashboards available. This will now be by default next time you log on. The second thing you need to remember is to always check which site that you have selected that you are showing the data for. In this case, we have selected FSM United States as a test site that we have created for demo purposes. Now, once you have done these two things, you can start looking at the available data that is for this specific site. One other thing I should bring to your attention is if you do not find the site in the drag-down menu, you need to go to ServIS and select this as one of your favorites. Then refresh and it will show up in the drag-down menu. Once you now have done all of this, the first tab that you will see is the score. Now, score is a calculated value based on a scale of 100, based on these 8 weighted criteria. The higher your score, the more comprehensive and more recent your activities related to parts will be. Also, by looking at this list, you will see the check marks that you have here, and this will indicate criteria where you or somebody has done activities related to this specific highlighted step. I will not go through the details in this case, but if you go into these information buttons, you will see suggested steps to take to improve this score. The second tab we have is mySpareParts. Now this is the dashboard, so you will see here an overview of the latest reports that are available for this specific site. But if you go to the mySparePart tab at the bottom right, or select from the left menu the mySparePart widget, you will now go to the site. Now please remember that you again need to check that you have the correct site in question, and you will now see the latest available data for this specific site. So with this, I've demonstrated the overview of the mySparePart dashboard.
I hope you find value in these series of videos. Please contact us with questions, opportunities, or follow-ups.
I ask you please to watch the additional videos that we have available on hand and how to use the other mySparePart tools and applications that we have. So thank you very much.